So today we are going to make a drawing game on Scratch. First take a when flag clicked, forever, oops, if then else, if mouse down, then yeah, you have to take this pen extension. You have to click this add extension. Now first of all erase all, then pen, if mouse down, pen down, or else pen up. Oh yeah, I forgot mouse pointer. So as you can see, whenever you click you can draw. Now this cat looks a bit annoying, so you can change it to you can go in costumes, delete this cat and zoom in and just put a tiny dot. It will say just one by one, so you can't see the dot, and you can draw still the same. So I want to draw a star, but if this something happens, I have to click flag, which is not good. So let's make an erase button. So whichever key you want to be pressed, you can put. I want space, so I will put space and eraser. So it's done. Now you can see whenever you press space, it's done. So if you make a mistake while drawing, you can just press space and redraw it. Okay, so next we will make a color chooser. So take a when event, yeah, when key pressed, any key, means whichever key you want, but I want one for this color and two. So I want to have a pen color of red when I click 1, and duplicate this for 2, 3, 4 and whichever color you want for that number. Just set the pen color to the original color you want at the starting. So as you can see, black color is there when you start. When you click 1, red, and 2, blue, it's successfully changing. So next up we will make an thickness chooser. So first of all, set pen size to 1 at the starting. So it's the most thinnest, which is this, just a thread like thing. Okay, next take this change pen size by. Now let's make a variable pen thickness. Now make it a slider from 0 to 100 only, which is the default one. Now put the change pen size by 1 block in the forever loop, and put the pen thickness in that, and now at the starting set pen thickness to 1. So you can now remove this one. Now it's not the same. I think we messed up. Let me see what I put a change. I wanted to put set. So now it's normal 1. I want 14. It's big, thick, and 100. Boom, the thickest of all. Now it's done. 0 draws nothing. Okay, it draws the size of 1 only, I guess. Okay, so you can, if you don't want this, you can just change slider range from 1 to 100. Now nobody can put the 0 value over there. Yeah, so next up we will make, I guess, the color chooser. If you don't want this one to keep, the video is only here, but some guys want a sprite to be clicked for this. So let's make a sprite. Draw a circle of the color you want. I want red, so I will draw red over here and center it. Okay, and duplicate this sprite and change the color to blue. So rename this sprite to pen, this sprite to change color. Oops. Color. Oh, color red, and this one to color blue. Now position them wherever you want. I want this one over here and this one over here. Okay, so now when flag clicked, go to the position. Yeah, when you click the stop button and move it, the go to value changes. So go to 17, go to X 171, Y 44. Okay, 49. Done. And next, same over here. When flag clicked, go to 176. Oh, not 176. The same one. 174 only, so that the X is same. Now you can see they both are on the same line, and the pen draws behind them, not in front of them. So done. Now forever, I'm adding a little animation over here. So if quote if touching mouse pointer, change size by 10, else set size to, oops, change not 10, set to 110 or else 100. Now it's like this. Like this. Let's just do the same over here. Forever, if then else, set, oops, not this, set size to 110 or else 200 if touching mouse pointer. Done. Now events, when this sprite is clicked, broadcast message color blue, and for this, when this sprite is clicked, broadcast message red. Now instead of this, take up when I receive blue and red. So first of all red, and instead of this, when I receive blue. Yeah, so at starting it's black, now it's blue, and it's red. Now thickness works the same, and done. If you want an eraser now, so let's add an eraser tool. Let's paint a new sprite. Okay, what should we make over here? I guess just text I will add eraser. For now I will just add a text of eraser. So just copy this code from the red or blue and go to the position you want for the eraser to go. Oh, I can't trying it, I guess. I will add an black and black. Okay, and change the text color to white so it looks good. Now we will make a duplicate of this costume, change the color to black and this to white. So there are two costumes. When flag click, switch costume to costume 1, which is the default, and this is the on eraser and this is the off eraser. So off, on. Okay, so off. Now if touching mouse pointer, then that I just didn't do the thing. Okay, over here I want 182. 180. No, not over here. Okay, over here only. 182 negative 33. Okay, now it's over here. It has the animation. So rename this to eraser. Take a when this sprite is clicked, broadcast, just like the red and blue, just broadcast erase and switch costume to on. When this sprite is clicked, it turns on the eraser mode, or else you can do next costume. Yeah, it's working. It's on off. So now it's on, now it's off. Now when cleanup blocks. So when I receive erase, set pen color to the background color, which is for me white. So I will draw something over here. Turn on the eraser, turn up the thickness. You can see it's erasing the things. And now, but if the eraser is off, still it won't. We have to choose a color from red and blue. So to make a eraser off button, take an if then else. If, now take an I guess, where is it? Off backdrop hash off stage. Now eraser costume name. Costume name of eraser equals to on. If not if else, just if. So it will. So let me draw something first. Okay, this is not sun. Okay, I tried to draw sun. Okay, so when I turn on eraser and turn up the thickness, it erases. And when it is off, oh yeah, we really need it. Then else, set pen color to anything you want. I guess I will set pen color to black for now, because you can choose from the other two. So now eraser is on, off. Now it's black color again. So you can see there is a bug. When I click Okay, pen is 200. When I click, it draws there. So I think we will make cleanup blocks. Touching, yeah. Where is the over here? If mouse pointer, oopsie. Okay, so not okay, not touching eraser or touching eraser or color red or color blue. Oopsie, color blue, and put it over there. Yeah, I know it's a little bit messy, but it works. Now when I draw, if I go over here, it doesn't draw. Yeah. Okay, so thanks for watching.